Candidate number 7. As a traveler, what trip or adventure makes you feel close to our unique places in Cagayan that makes you feel home, and what makes you cherish it?
I am a firm believer that experience is the best teacher, and for that, things can be in different means of endless when you are a traveler, and this is my experience.
Hi guys! Miss you all! Banding naman tayo!
Ala na ate ko, kaya tak!
Saan naman? Baka meron kayong kakilala na pwedeng mag-tour sa atin. Anyone?
Wait, I think I know someone. Update ko na lang kayo later.
Kai! Napatawag ka? Kamusta?
Naalala mo ba yung brochure na binigay mo sa akin? Gusto sana namin mag-travel.
Sige. Akong bahala.
Sige, salamat.
Pasarap umiyamin sa dinuman na lugar di nagkapwam, patasan met irak sa dito'y Cagayan. Ito yun! Ay kanikaw, itulong na Cagayano, sa kansikaw may kakwang at sinolay, kulturang makulay, sining na mahusay, libutin na dalawin ang aming paraiso. Endless from Cagayan. Endless from Cagayan. Indak sa fiesta, masasayang musika. Bawat galaw, ikaw ay mapapasayaw. Dama ang saya. Hanggang kabundukan, endless of fun. Tara sa Cagayan. Hablaaw kaniyayo amin, naragsak na pasarap umiyamin sa dinuman na lugar di nagkapwang, pagkasan met iragsak dito'y Cagayan. Sa kansikaw may kakwang at sinalay, kulturang makulay, sining na mahusay, libutin na dalawin ang aming paraiso. Let's go to the northeast, the fun is endless. Seas and mountains beauty at its finest. Explore it, experience, discover your forever. And welcome your home of endless fun.
I am adventurous, and my friend offered a trip that I'll cherish forever. Cagayan offers fruits of adventures, from its tourist places, delicacies, and especially its hospitable people that makes these places unique. There are a lot of good spots in Cagayan that offers thousands of capacities of adventures and fun. And as I travel, I do now believe that Cagayan offers endless fun. and those moments will be cherished with the best people and best memories. From the countryside places to its people, I feel like I am somewhere home, and Cagayan offers places that feels like it's a home. Agyaman, Cagayan, your beauty is beyond and irreplaceable. Endless memories, endless enjoyment, endless fun. Love, my home, Cagayan.